Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It is a release day. And that means we have new products. Now, let me just tell you, one of these, actually two of these items are extremely limited. I'm just saying, just gotta let you know. First things first, let's check out our adorable, by popular request. I cannot tell you how many requests I have had for an angel folded. I cannot believe it has taken me this long. So those of you that have requested an angel folded, I apologize this took so long. Finally got it. But look at how adorable she is. The best part though is she can have any hair color. She can have any skin tone, and she can be for any reason. And I have a lot of samples to share with you, so stay tuned. The next item I have, at first it's gonna look really weird, and so I really need to show you a sample because I want you to understand my reasoning behind it. So let's find, oh, this one's good. This is a good sample. So this is what it looks like. I'm calling it faux twine because when you put something in the center, usually we would use twine to wrap around our card, but sometimes we don't have time to put twine. So now we can make our own. So look at this. So we just put our cute little ghost on the front, but my main idea was to use it with our wax seals. Just saying. So I designed it for me. Don't buy it. It's just for me. I really, really needed it. Took me a long time to design this one because I couldn't get the specs right. Finally got it. Now I can start using it. I'm so thankful. But I'll show you more samples. Stay tuned. Speaking of wax seals, and if you do not see this one on the website, if you're watching this video in the future, not when we release it, you got to watch our videos when we release them, you guys. Make sure you click on YouTube that subscribe button and the notification bell. You want to know when our videos come out because they're either live or we have new products, and you'll want to know because if you miss this one, you've missed it. And I will be so sad for you. It is, and they've been selling out every month, you guys. These have been selling out every month. So once they're gone forever. This is a beautiful green. And look at this. Are you ready? Are you ready? It is a Christmas tree. To see samples up close and personal, go to our website. Here's the deal, you guys. I feel a little bad for my design team, but we don't have enough for them to get samples in the mail for them to make samples because we don't have enough. I have to offer them to you on the website first, right? And I don't have enough. So make sure you order these quick. You're gonna love them. And I'll do a video on these to show you. Now, last but not least, also fairly limited, is version 3 of our hologram papers. Holographic, hologram, whatever you want to call them. Let me show you. There's one thing. It says 12. Yes, you are getting 12. However, the price on my website is only charging you for 10. So it says 12, you're getting 12. We're only charging you for 10. Why? When I do quality checks, QC checks all the time on our new products. When I did a random check on the quality on a few, not all, on a few, one of the patterns did not look perfect. Now, I'm not going to hire somebody to go through every single pack and pull those out, right? So I figure you're going to get 2 freebies. If it's perfect, great. If it's not, you can still use it. It's just not the perfect sheet, right? That's how strict our quality control is at the Stamps of Life. But let me show you the designs because they're gorgeous. I'm not going to show you which one has the mistake because you know what? Chances are yours won't have it. But there was enough that I just felt like I had to do it this way. So here's this fun, woo, look at that. Look at that. You get 2 of each one. Oh, look at that one. Isn't that one gorgeous? Love it. That one. Ooh, this one's just like a rainbow flat surface. I love it, like a matte. This one's more of a glitter. Oh my gosh, you guys. On camera, they even look more amazing, don't they? In person, they're gorgeous. Stars, because hello for all our star things. And a mini star one. Isn't that gorgeous? So again, you are only paying for 10, but you're getting 12. Just saying. So that's how strict I am about quality control, you guys. Now, let's move on. Let's look at some of our samples. Look at how gorgeous this is. A special delivery. You're like, Stephanie, those products aren't new. I have all those products. They're not new. But When I open this up, you're gonna see that faux twine with a wax seal. I know, isn't it awesome? All of our wax seal items, by the way, you guys, are limited edition. Once they're gone, they're gone. Here that twine one is again. You don't have to use wax seals. You could use a little icon, or you could use a felt flower. Look how beautiful that is. Here's one using it on all the edges. I love that. Look how fun that is. Just using it as a decoration. Isn't that awesome? Here's a gorgeous one. Now, and also this is a good note. I made it longer than a card. So you could have it go off, or you can trim it down. It's easier to trim down than to add, right? So I made it a little bigger on purpose, Here's a gorgeous one. Look how beautiful that is. Look with that wax seal on there. So awesome. I'm praying for you. Now let's look at our angels. And you guys, let me just tell you, oh, this is a stand-up one. Oh, with our, look at that. Look at that. You can see our gorgeous faux twine. This one says, it's okay to not be okay. Praying for better days. Look at this. This stands. You could send this to someone and they will know you're praying for them. Is that gorgeous or what? Here's one, a blondie, if you want a blondie. And this one says, faith, pray, hope. Gorgeous. And then here's another one, another blondie. Love it. That's a card there. And if it's not laying flat, usually it will, but this one's a little heavy on the side. You just trim, here, let me do it because I want you guys to see. If it's not laying perfectly flat for you, you are literally going to trim on the back side. You are literally going to trim not even a hair, just like that. And I'll show you what I trim so you can see. But boom, there you go. Now it's going to stand. And I literally just trimmed this much. Literally like nothing, okay? There you go. Then, oh, look how cute this one is, a stuffy. Oh, look how adorable. Oh, it's an ornament. How fun is that? Here's another cute one, piece. Oh, beautiful. Here's one on the front of a card. This is the Z-fold card. Z-fold cards we've been using a lot lately. Look at this, she's flying. Oh, holy night. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And last but not least, oh, with glitter wings, you guys. Imagine our angel with the hologram papers on her wings. Club members, yes, you get the club discount on all of these products. You know the deal. If you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out. $13.99 a month. That's all it is. You get a stamp set included in that price, and all of the awesome club benefits. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, and click on join the club and watch that video. You're going to fall in love. Also, my friends, the wax seal and the hologram paper are very limited. So heads up, 7-Up on those. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.